Y'all, I hate being sick. I really, really do hate being sick.
So live your life. You steady chasing that big car, just live your life.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am a little under the weather today. I'm a little under the weather today, but I'm gonna somehow pull this video off and make some taco soup. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm gonna need you to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into this video, you guys. Alright, you guys, here are some of the ingredients that I will be using to make the meatless taco soup. Alright, you guys, I already got the crock pot on high. It's already hot. I just had it on for about 10 minutes now. And I am going to go ahead and add all the ingredients in here, and I'm just going to let this slow cook for the rest of the day. Alright, y'all, so the taco soup is ready, but I think I am gonna add the Impossible ground in there just because it's good without it, but I think I probably will add it in there anyway. Can't wait to dig in this for dinner. Again, I am under the weather, so I don't know how it's gonna taste. You know, when you're sick, you can't really taste much, but yeah. Anyway, so as y'all can see, I did at the Impossible Ground. I did go back out to the store, so here you go.